Hey people, today's a super rainy day. Oh my god, guys, you should see how bad the streets are. Look. Whoa. Guys, it does not look that look. The streets are flooded. Look. Wait. Oh, too close. Look. Streets are literally flooded. Watch, I'm gonna clear this up for you. Look at that. Pretty much, the streets are flooded. Mainly, it's like a super rain, pretty much. Look at this, man. I mean, what is this? Okay, so it's kind of like if, it's kind of like two volcanoes erupting with a tornado getting it. Like, okay, hopefully it's stopping. Nope, it's not stopping. It's just getting harder. It's like totally soaked. I'm gonna film part 2 of this next rain that happens. Oh my god, look, it's even dripping into the inside of the car. Okay, just clear it. Okay, so anyways, this is not fake, people. I'm saying the truth. This is true. This is real. Don't put in the comments like fake. Oh, this is faking gay. No, guys. It's very real, and it's like a giant hurricane mixed with a thunderstorm, mixed with a tornado. Everybody's literally like running. Look, they're like running. If you wonder where I am, Grandma's just buying something from the store real quick. So I'm filming this. Oh, look, I still have to clear the window. Oh my god. These streets will never make it alive. It's stopping. It stopped, people. Yay! But no, but it was going for hours. Look. Look, see that? It's clear right now. But wait for like 5 seconds and it's not gonna be cleared. Look, I have to do it again. Wow. Now you see what I'm saying? It's like super soggy. It finally stopped. Ugh. Okay, let's breaking news mode. Okay, seems to be that there's stopping. It's stopping. Yay, it's stopping, but I wish it would get harder. Whoa, the roof is breaking. Holy crap. Okay, I will be fine, people. You don't have to panic, because it's like, actually, it's like super rain. Check it out. Okay, well, great. Water's dripping from the roof. That is terrible. Oh my god, and look at my seat. Whoa, it's wet. Look at that, man. Oh, already up here. Okay, guys, this is a mess. Oh, the streets are clearing up with the water. It's not soaking. Oh no, my sandal fell outside. No, I'm just kidding. Whoa! Okay, that was very scary thunder. I really need to start calming down. Okay, so this is pretty freaking creepy. It stopped. Yay, it did not stop. But we're still saved at least. Because it's way less than what we saw at the start. And then if this door opened up and I fell into a tornado, I'm gonna film it and gonna be history. Yeah, I'm a car. Okay, well, anyways, not the best idea because it's actually like raining like crazy. And it's finally stopping. Oh my God. So, yeah, this is not good. Oh no, that was a car. I thought it was the rain coming back. I was like, no! Epic face in slow-mo. More like candy face. Okay, anyways. Let's do this. Let's check what's going on. Oh my God. This is insane. Let's turn on the light. Hey, the light wasn't working that well. The light turned off. Ugh, I'm gonna turn it back on. Yeah, up there. Okay, it's fine. Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back. Okay. I don't gotta panic so much. Why won't my camera just... Okay. I really am gonna hide now. I'm going down there. Eek. Eek. Oh no, it's starting. It's starting again. No! Okay, this is not good. Not good. Oh, this feels like a swimming pool. Oh, look. See that? Woo. See? Ah! Not good. Let's check from outside the window. Oh my God, it's leaking! Well, look, in just 1 second it made all that. This is, amazing. Look, it's dried up. Again, I have to clear it. Look, dried up. Again, I have to clear it. Oh no, look, that window. Again, I have to clear it. I can't see anything. Oh, water's dripping everywhere. Ugh. My grandma better hurry up. Okay. Oh, my grandma's in there. Come on! Ah! Ugh, great. Worst rain ever, because we never gonna chill. Oh, wow, wow. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. I'll inform you guys with the next video, part 2. You guys, if you're watching this video, in 4 seconds of making part 2, never mind. Well, if this car had no roof, I would probably be dead. Ugh, great. I can see myself on the mirror. See? It's an iPhone. iPhone! Well, if you guys can hear, hopefully I can do this. Yeah. Okay, well, this is very creepy. See, I'm turning on the volume. Oh, wait. You can't see. You're looking at me. Right? Ah, great. Well, you probably can't. It's leaking. No, the light turned off by itself. Whoa! Okay, thunder. Whoa! Oh God, the car was moving. The car was moving for a sec. Come on, we gotta get out of here. Yeah, okay, I'm freaking out. I am freaking out. I'm freaking out badly. Ah! Yeah, let's clear this up. Oh my God! You can't see much out there. I have to see to my iPhone to see better. Oh, never mind. Well, this is gonna be bad. Shit! Look. Well, it's actually very wet. Look at the drops. Wee! It's dripping everywhere. Not good. It's just only for me. I'm 10. Oh, come on. Those things don't work for the window. go buy something else. Ah! Okay. Okay. Oh my fucking God. Wow. What was that? That literally gave me almost a heart attack. That thing just went BAM! Okay, that was just, oh my God, I am so scared right now. That was the that was the freakiest thunder I've ever seen. It was like this, BAM! It was like, but you guys never see it. Wow, I really need a drink right now. I would go outside and get a drink, but that thunder, it really scares me. Well, nothing's going on really. This is extremely scary. Ooh, some hot chips. Okay, well, it's stopping. It's stopping. That's extremely great, I'm guessing. This is very bad, very, very, very bad. Because I never had this much of a rain panic attack before. Well, it's dripping until now. Moment. Okay, guys. If you guys didn't like this video and you think it's fake, guys, it's not fake. I don't have a rain add-on. I don't even think that's even possible. But yeah, I'm filming part 2 in 5 seconds. Bye.